Thanks for logging on to ABC15.com. I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. We are tracking big changes this week. Already you'll notice a difference with a lot more cloud cover and cooler temperatures around the valley. Cooler weather in store for the week ahead, and we've got chances for rain in the valley with snow chances in the high country. And it's all due to this, a storm system that is currently sitting off to our northwest. That disturbance will bring us the first chances for rain today. And again, that snow potential in the high country today through tonight and early tomorrow morning. But then by the middle of the week, this disturbance sinks to the southwest. We get a bit of a lull in the rain chances before we pull in more moisture by the middle of the week. And that is when we'll likely see the better chance for rain here in the valley. So you'll notice there's a chance for showers every single day this week, but the highest potential and the better potential looks to come Wednesday, so Valentine's Day, but it looks to be later in the day into Wednesday night, at least as of now. But that's something we're watching over the next couple of days. And today there's that chance for showers with a 20% chance for rain this afternoon, this evening, and overnight into tomorrow morning. Now, we've already started to see snow showers develop in the high country. You can expect some more light snow showers across northern Arizona as we go through tonight and early tomorrow. The highest amounts likely along the Kaibab Plateau right near the Utah border, but we could end up with a couple of inches of snow in the Flagstaff area, anywhere between about 1 and 4 inches above 6,000 feet by tomorrow morning. Scattered rain showers across that northern and northwest pocket of our state too, over some of the lower elevations. And you'll notice here in the valley we've got a slight chance for some showers too. Very slight chances, just a 20% chance. Not everybody will see rain, and those that do will likely get fairly light rain amounts, with rain amounts totaling between about 1/10 of an inch to maybe 1/4 of an inch. And those spots that do get closer to 1/4 of an inch, likely those higher elevation spots, the foothills locations in the northern and northwest valley. Again, the more widespread coverage when it comes to that rain, and of course the snow will be up north, but we've got a slight chance for showers here in the valley, and those rain chances stick around into early tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon then looks drier. Will be dry through Wednesday morning. By Wednesday night, a better chance for rainfall. So again, as you look at that breakdown, today we're in that slight chance range. That slight chance range continues tonight into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon, an isolated threat, and then by Wednesday that rain chance jumps up to 40%, and by Thursday we'll keep a 30% chance for rain in the forecast, with just a lingering chance into Friday before we dry things out this weekend. Now, I mentioned that the highest amounts of snow will likely be along the Kaibab Plateau. That is where we are under a winter weather advisory through Tuesday morning at 5 a.m. The rest of northern Arizona not under that advisory. Again, accumulations will be a bit lower in spots like Flagstaff, but we're still talking about 1 to 4 inches of snow in some of those areas. In the Kaibab Plateau, where that alert is in effect, we could see as much as 9 inches of snow in some of the higher terrain in that area. Something to keep in mind if you're traveling up there. Again, for the Flagstaff area, you'll still want to watch for some slick spots, even though we're not under a winter weather advisory there. We do have wind advisories posted for the eastern rim, also the White Mountains. Those in effect through 6 o'clock here this evening, as that's one of the areas that's going to feel the strongest winds. Gusts in those areas could peak as high as 45 miles an hour. Southeast Arizona also getting in on those gusty winds, with gusts as high as 40 miles an hour in spots like Tucson and that southeastern pocket. Now, here in the valley, we're going to feel the breezes through the afternoon into the evening too, but our gusts will only peak near 25 miles an hour. So breezy, not necessarily too windy here in the valley. Notice southeast Arizona, where we've got those strong winds in the forecast, we've also got fairly dry conditions. So because of that, we are under a red flag warning for that area through 7 o'clock here this evening. That's an indication that conditions are dry, and those winds could help spark wildfires fairly easily. So that's something to keep in mind if you're in that area. Highs today will end up below average. A lot of mid to upper 60s for highs. Our average for this time of year, 70. So a cooler day on tap today. And in northern Arizona, temperatures won't budge much through the day. A high temperature of only 37 in Flagstaff, 56 in Kingman, 49 today in Show Low. Then temperatures overnight only drop about 7 degrees in Flagstaff, an overnight low of 30 degrees. 52 here in Phoenix, though, by tomorrow morning. So another chilly start to our Tuesday, and could be a little bit wet for some, as shower chances will continue through the early Tuesday morning commute. Low 50s in most spots across the valley by tomorrow morning. Tomorrow's high a little bit milder at 72, 70 for Wednesday. By Wednesday night, that's when we've got that better chance for rain, a 40% chance for showers in the valley. Everything should be fairly light, though. It does look like overall rainfall amounts not too impressive, ending up maybe under a half an inch in most spots from today through Friday across the Phoenix area. Highs in the upper 60s on Thursday, 70s by Friday. We start to warm up as we dry out this weekend with mid 70s in our forecast for Saturday and Sunday.